24 hours later. There's my girl. There you are, such a good girl. Feeling so much better, huh? Yes, you're feeling better. You can give me a little nuzzle. That's a good girl. You like that, huh? You like that's a good girl. That's my girl. Little nibbles. You want some more ozone water? You want ozone water, sweetie? That's a good girl. You're hot. Got a fever? Got a fever? Yes, I love you too.